Hey everybody, this class is just my classic slow flow yoga sequence. So it's a full spectrum class, meaning you're gonna open up, strengthen, and stretch the entire body, but using very basic postures and basic transitions. So it's a little bit easier if you're a beginner or if you're a little bit older with less mobility. And if you're a seasoned practitioner, this is a really nice way to just take it easy, back off the body a little bit and focus more on the breath and really melting into the poses and activating little things like lifting the toes, lifting the core, giving yourself a chance to really focus on some deeper aspects of the practice rather than moving through a quicker, more challenging vinyasa class. So if you have someone that you want to introduce to yoga, this would be a great one to put in and do with them. They'll have a great experience. Thanks, enjoy the class. And if you're not a member yet, go over to the Start Free Trial link and you'll get your first month free.